Reach for the OLFA 18mm L1 ratchet lock utility knife for extra control during your most demanding construction and industrial tasks. Featuring a durable, contoured ABS handle that can withstand tough job site conditions while offering an ergonomic design for easy grip and all-day comfort. Built with a stainless steel support channel that maintains blade position for heavy-duty cutting, and a ratchet-style blade lock that allows for easy blade extension and secure fastening, you have access to unlimited cutting power and precision. The OLFA L1 is preloaded with a tough silver snap blade, designed with 8 deep-edged grooves to provide a new edge in seconds. For a fresh cut, simply snap off the used section and keep working. Easily install any 18mm blade, including ultra-sharp black speed blades and hook snap blades, with a tool-free blade change. Use the always sharp OLFA L1 for cutting through drywall, carpet, shrink wrap, tape, and more. The OLFA L1 is reliable, sharp, resilient, and built tough for every trade.